important role in life, how does it make us all individuals? It's so easy for us to say what we want to say. It's so easy to react to something that affects us. But what will happen if we are incapable of any reaction or making any sounds? I guess that is what happens to trees. For them, morning starts with the beautiful breeze waffling around, and through them, the warmth of the sun assures their care, setting each leaf into a joyous dance. Suddenly, the sound of the key changes everything. Then slowly we see some young people as they come to the workshop with their man-made equipment. Everything is silent for a minute. Suddenly I hear a scream which breaks the silence. What is this scream about? Why is this divine morning, a beautiful beginning, ruined by such a horrible sound? Oh, I see. The tree is looking at a piece of wood held by a young boy. Isn't it like seeing a chicken's head getting chopped off at a butcher's shop by the other chickens? Isn't it like seeing our closest friend, a part of us, facing an accident right in front of us? The boy started filing the wood. Slowly, parts of wood, years of growth, were getting separated. Soon the tree's friend was getting nailed, getting cut, and getting sanded. I couldn't hear it anymore. The tree was keening in pain, but the boy continued working at the piece of the wood. He ignored the scream so well as if he couldn't hear it at all. The tree looked up and smiled as the sunlight glittered through its branches, as if hope of rescuing the wood had suddenly arrived. It was another girl the tree saw, and she walked to the boy who was cutting the wood. She stood there, looked at the boy, then she smiled. The tree was confused in the storm of emotions around it. Why is she smiling for such a cruel action? She went over to the boy and said, "Good work," and to the tree, surprise starts giving some suggestion on how to file the wood. The tree felt betrayed. But is this a new feeling to the trees? Then how would they be feeling by seeing their brothers and sisters getting cut? It makes me wonder, how is it that most of us can so easily understand or see the emotions of humans, animals, birds, or any living being, but we are so blind to our greatest friends, the trees? Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. What happens when such an opposite and equal reaction doesn't take place? So what happens in case of a tree? Or does it just forget the reaction? Finally, another sad day for the trees is going to get over with the beautiful sunset. I feel little happy and positive now. The breeze has again started playing with the trees. It looks like the breeze is trying to cheer the trees up. At the same time, the tree is refusing to say her pain to the breeze. And every little leaf argues with the breeze and makes mysterious conversation heard only by the keenest ear. Oh no, the workshop is being opened again by the young boy.